When you order the Vaniman Vanguard Platinum 2X, your purchase comes with an internal post filter included. This extra filter fits into the internal dust filter slot inside the unit. You can also order this post filter for any other Vanguard model, or for the Voyager or Van-I-Vac dust collector. It's not a replacement for the filter bag, rather it's an additional layer of filtration to really lower dust and debris even further. Here's how to install it. Unscrew the thumb screws from the front of the unit to remove the panel. Lift the filter bag out of the way. You don't need to remove the filter bag. Slide the post filter into the slot. Put the panel back on and screw the thumb screws back in. And that's it! You're ready to go with your enhanced filtration. Remember to check on this filter often. Our recommended schedule is every 3 months, but of course that can vary with usage. We also offer activated carbon filters for odor control or even internal HEPA filters for incredibly fine filtration. You would install either of these the same way. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Vaniman. You can reach us by phone at 760-723-1498 or by email at service@vaniman.com.